In this video, you'll learn the differences between AR, AV, MR, and VR, and how they all fit on the XR spectrum. Let's begin by defining the term XR. XR, or extended reality, is a catch-all term for how we combine the physical and digital worlds. It really has to do with how immersed you are in the digital world. Think of XR as a spectrum or continuum. AR is the oldest member of the XR family. It's been around for a while. It's approachable and accessible and doesn't require special equipment to access it. It's the baseline on the XR spectrum as far as digital immersion. You saw in the What is AR video that AR is all around us. For example, seeing how makeup will look on your face. AR puts that digital layer or filter over your face. AV, or augmented virtuality, is similar to AR but lesser known. The environment in AR is the physical world, while the AV environment is digital. Think back to a worldwide sporting event during the height of the global pandemic. Various news anchors were live in what appeared to be a studio set located across the world. But in reality, pun intended, they were in a studio in the United States. They were placed in a digital scene that made them appear to be across the world. This is AV, bringing real-life content into a virtual space. Somewhere in the middle of the spectrum sits MR, or mixed reality. MR blends the physical and digital worlds. It combines the features and benefits of both AR and VR, and is generally used for enterprise applications. For example, luxury car designers from all over the world use MR headsets, which can generally show higher complexity models, to look at car designs synchronously and collaborate. And a global security and aerospace company also uses MR when building rockets. While AR and AV are on the lower end of the XR spectrum, VR, or virtual reality, is on the top end of the spectrum. VR provides a fully immersive digital experience. Want to be truly engaged and absorbed? VR is the way to go. You can close off the physical world around you, including its many distractions, and feel truly present. Ever played one of those car racing games where you put on a VR headset and feel like you're actually in the race with the need for speed? Or have you wielded a lightsaber and slashed your way through musical beats while in a futuristic world? What about playing a VR game where you could walk with massive beasts and see exotic creatures? One company offers AR experiences using location-based entertainment, where consumers come together and have a shared experience. And that experience is amazing. It's VR. So to recap, the XR spectrum is all about how immersive the experience is. AR and AV are the most accessible, but least immersive. MR sits in the middle, while VR is the most immersive and sits at the top end of the spectrum. As time marches on, so does the development of these media types. The line between them will likely grow blurry as technology evolves and user appetites increase.